All right, guys, we're back at it. Got this Puma 25-foot bunkhouse. The outside kitchen action with the gray stone, kind of like a black stone. Electric jacks all the way around. Big U-shaped dinette. This one's very unique. Look at this bunk room. It's kind of a wide open layout. TV, Bluetooth soundbar, electric heated fireplace. This nice huge walk-in pantry, or you can use it as a closet. There's a pull up top. Spot for a garbage can. All your controls are right here as soon as you walk in. Nice big bathroom. Sit down pad in the shower. You don't see that typically in a travel trailer. That's more like a fifth wheel setup. Nice vanity. You have storage underneath there. Your toilet's in a good spot. Toilet paper holder is already mounted. Here's one of the coolest things about this camper. I love these pictures they put in here. It's like a metal cutout. But we're gonna separate your bunk room. Just pull this. Locks in place. Now it separates your bunkhouse. And there's even a door. That is so cool. Have not seen a camper like that before. This is the first time I've ever seen it. Got a window wall back here. Got some counter space. You can add a TV back here. This bunk lifts up. Some more headspace. If you're watching TV or they're playing video games back here. Big residential fridge. Electric only. I love what they do with their light fixtures. White LED light underneath that countertop there. Blue lights around your knobs on your stove and oven. A little bit bigger oven in this one. 3-burner on top. It's your microwave. All these cabinets above. Oh, I like how they have that glass in there. There's your booklet. There's storage underneath this bed here. You can mount a TV on the wall in the bedroom right here. And you have another closet in your bedroom. And there is a door here. More like a pocket door. So, big open doorway. Ton of space here. So there's not a door that you're opening right in the hallway. Kind of hitting you on your feet as you're trying to open it. Convenience is everything. Once again, this is a 2022 Puma, 25 feet. Great, awesome layout. They did a really good job on this design with having a bunkhouse separated, or not separated. Just pull that out of there. Boom, locks in place right there, opens it up. During the day, it makes it feel like a 28-foot camper in here, to be honest. All this floor space you get. All right, thank you guys so much. Let me know if you have any questions.